In this video, we are going to learn how to save all sheets at using a macros VBA code. Okay, so you can see here I opened a multiple sheets like insert, toggle, make, blink, sheet 5, sheet 6, remove duplicate, delete blanks. Okay, so it means like around 9 or 8 to 9 sheets are open here. So when you are doing a manually, we can go with the save which each and every sheet and go to save as a PDF like we are perform manually like that. But if I told you within a one click you save the all sheet whichever you open in your Excel, that will save in the PDF format. Okay, so what whenever means I already wrote here a code in a VBA. So whenever I click on this, so that will save as a all Excel whatever I sheet open. You can see delete blanks, highlighted duplicates, multiple columns, cell blink, and also learn print and remove duplicates. You can see save sheets all PDF, sheet 5, sheet 6, and hide. You can see this all. If I open this sheet, well, you can see it here. Yeah, you can see this data is on that PDF on that Excel. Okay, so that will save in as a PDF format. So how can I do that? Go to developer tab, click on the shortcut for Alt 11 for the Visual Basics. Click on Visual Basic, then it's open for this sheet and go to which sheet you are and right on that. Right click on there, click on the save. I think that file was save. Save sheet all. Right click on that and insert module. Okay, you want to write on the code in the insert module. Okay, so sub is for the substitute, you know already. So it's the starting of your code, and this is the name of your code. This is the name of your code. Save worksheet, whatever you want to give it a name, you can give as a save worksheet as a PDF. I gave it because I want to save the all worksheets as a PDF. Okay, that's why I give, because every time you should prefer name that will easy to understand you. So you can, whenever you choose that macros, so that will help you to figure it out what was the name of that code. Okay, so every time you should prefer to give it as an easy name. Okay, now so this is for the now sub unhide. Where was that? I think the column started it now. Okay, so this is for worksheet and for a string. Then set a folder path for where you want to save it. Okay, so I gave there that worksheet path for this folder I saved it there as a C user CT download and Excel learn. You can already saw there in the download that all sheets are saved. Now create folder if it does not exist. Okay, so if you already, it is error friendly. Okay, so that's why if there is no folder, create a folder. Okay, it means if you don't mention it folder, that now the look through the each sheet. Okay, it is passing each and every sheet. Okay, so for as work, there was a name for a export as a fixed format type X type of PDF, because which type you want as X type as a PDF. File name, save path, and WS name, and is .pdf. The quality, whatever the specific code, you can copy it as the same as it is and perform it. Okay, so that will, there is a no change. If it is changed in only here the path. Okay, that's it. So copy this code and enter it your VBA code. Okay, and then save it and go to the insert tab, and again if you want to control panel you want it, so go to this button. Okay, and then assign a macro there, choose the name which you wrote in your code, choose that name for the macros, and then perform it. Click on the button, that all your worksheet will be saved in a PDF format. I hope you understand. Just copy that code, Sometimes you don't know about in a detail about a VBA code, how can we write, just google it out. How means VBA code for filter the data, VBA code for save sheet as a PDF. You just, sometimes you don't know, try to understand each and every line and then search it out and just change that whichever the sheet name, whichever the range name, okay, as per your requirement. So this is all about save all sheets in a PDF format.